So that's a win, but that was quite a tough game with a lot of penalties. And can you tell me your feelings about this game?
Well, yeah, you're right. There's been a lot of penalties in the game, and I think we were a bit nervous in the beginning because we knew like how important this game is for us. It's like, but as you said, like a lot of penalties, but we killed them. Good for us, and most important, we take 2 points, and we can look forward for the Sunday game.
Yeah. So Sunday is going to be really important. What is your impression about Sunday's game?
Well, I mean, like this part of the season, like every game is important. Like every point counts. Like we're battling for the playoff spots, so everything is in our hands right now, and we have to be prepared for this and go shoot by shit, and good things happen, I guess.